students, today we are going to discuss about VAM. VAM is nothing but the vesicular arbuscular mycorrhizae. In the mycorrhizae, what is mean by mycorrhiza? Myco, the word myco means the fungus. Mycology is the study of fungus. Rhiza means the roots. Root associated fungus structures are called the mycorrhiza. In the mycorrhiza, you have we discuss the two types of the mycorrhiza. That are the ectomycorrhiza and endomycorrhiza. In the ectomycorrhiza, we can see the intracellular hyphae. That is the hyphae which is not associated with the roots. The hyphae are present outside the root surface. In the endomycorrhiza, the hyphae penetrates you can observe here. In the endomycorrhiza, the hyphae penetrates the root surface. When we discuss next we are going to discuss about how we are producing the mycorrhiza. What are the common steps for the production of the mycorrhiza? The first step is the isolation of the root nodules from the plants. That is particularly from rhizobium, or when we are going to produce some PSB related mycorrhiza, that is phosphate solubilizing bacteria, we can isolate the rhizosphere soil and we can inoculate to for the production of the mycorrhiza. First step is the isolation. Next is the media which we are going to choose. That is the rhizobium. We are choosing the EMA agar. In the case of PSB, you are choosing Picosquares agar. Likewise, we can choose the selective media based upon the microorganism we are going to isolate. Next is the fermenter. Last is the carrier material. Isolation is usually done with the mercury chloride solution along with 60% ethanol, and we are crushing. After adding 60% ethanol and mercury chloride, we are crushing the roots. In the case of we are then choosing the media for the isolation of our desired microorganisms. Next is the third step is the fermenter. In the fermenter, when we are using the fermenter for the mass production, when you want to market your produced product, that is the VAM which is isolated from particular microorganism. In the case of fermenter, first you are using the mother culture. This mother culture is transferred into the small flask. This broth which is present in the mother culture is transferred into the small flask. Then it is transferred into big or huge bottles. After that, we are proceeding into the shaker. After shaker, we are passing on to the other small scale fermenters initially. That is the pilot scale fermenter. Next, we are proceeding to the huge fermenters. After that, after passing to the fermenter, you are checking the quality control. The QC is nothing but the quality control of the broth. Next is we are transferring the broth into the blended containers. After transferring the broth into the blended containers, we are transferring it to the polythene bags. After that particular treatment, you are subjecting it to curing, which is subjected at a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. After that, you are proceeding for the peat culture. Peat culture is nothing but the waste substances, that is vegetable waste, which is used as the peat inoculum. Next, we are storing the peat culture in low temperature. LT is nothing but the low temperature preservation. After that, we are giving the particular produced product to the farmers. This is the overall production of the VAM or vesicular arbuscular mycorrhizae. There are also some suitable factors which affect the production of the VAM. That is the pH, soil depth, soil moisture, and the soil fertility. These are the 4 critical factors which determine the germination of the VAM Apart from that, we can observe the different species of worm are also present. That is the Glomus species, Gigaspora species, and Ankylospora species. These are the common species of worm which are present in Indian soils. Worm is used as a efficient, can be used as a efficient biofertilizer, and it is good for to enrich the soil fertility also. Thanks for watching this video.